So we are at the Rain Tree Lodge. So I wanted to shoot this on the second day, but it didn't happen because too many wedding photographers were here. And this is day 4. Day 3 I was literally busy with work and stuff, and I had some errands to run. So this is day 4 and this is the Rain Tree Lodge. So let's get shooting. So I'm using the Canon RF 35mm 1.8 macro because we shot with the 85 for 2 days and I wanted to change lenses right now. So let's get into it. Manual focus. They open the door. So I'm shooting at f1.8 at ISO 100 and shutter speed 1/4000 because I'm shooting at literally 12 o'clock at noon because I didn't want any other wedding photographers to come and nobody shoots at mid-noon because of the lighting. But for automobile shoots, I think this is kind of okay. Gonna go back a little bit more. Oh, I love that photo. That's really good. Move it a little bit more forward. Oh, it's in gear. Oh, no wonder. This is so freaking heavy. That's a good pick. I love that photo. Need to clean up the garbage though. Kochi never changes. I think I'm gonna change lenses to an 85 now. So going back to the 85. It's too freaking sunny. I'm wearing a sweater. Bad choice of clothing, but I'm sweating crazy. But it's worth it though. I love the seat texture though. It's grippy and comfortable. Yeah. Anyway, so I think that's good. I'm gonna pack up. It's too freaking sunny and I'm sweating crazy. So let's get into the bike, go home, change dress and go for another walk. Bye bye.